bring a personal experience. In 2020, when Polyfest got cancelled due to COVID-19, it taught a lot of upset students how to deal with resilience. When students learned to become resilient, they learned how to embrace the beautifully broad spectrum of the human experience, dealing with changes to their lives, living in a new normal. Students of One Tree Hill College have acknowledged that although the world is suffering, it is also full of the overcoming of it and in unity. The world can fight COVID-19 together because unity is strength.
It's a normal afternoon where students of One Tree Hill College are busy practicing in their groups for Polyfest. But then, suddenly, on 14th March 2020, the government announces anyone entering New Zealand must self-isolate for 14 days, except those arriving from the Pacific. 19th March 2020, all indoor gatherings of more than 100 people are to be cancelled. Polyfest is cancelled. Borders closed to all but New Zealand citizens and permanent residents. 5th March 2020. At 11:59 p.m, New Zealand moves to alert level 4 and the entire nation goes into self-isolation. All teachers in New Zealand prepare for online learning and students prepare for online remote learning at home. A state of national emergency is declared at 12:21 p.m. and next day, Ali goes to buy toilet paper for his family, only to find one toilet paper on the store shelf. March 2020. New Zealand reports its first COVID-19 related death.
You once walked the earth with the uncertainties of life, but you continue to persevere, leaving an imprint on every soul that came into your sight.
Ole tamaita salo, ole toa, ole aina. The civic movement whose courage has no boundaries, nor is it confined. She feels, compassionate, wise. Her love is unconditional, loving, kind.
People are urged to practice social distancing, wear a mask, sanitize their hands often, and be kind. whilst in lockdown, and for them, there is joy as life will be back to normal. 13th May 2020, New Zealand moves to alert level 2 at 11:59 p.m. The state of national emergency expires at 12:21 p.m. Students are back at school. The Ministry of Health reports that there were no more active cases of COVID-19 in New Zealand. At 11:59 p.m, New Zealand moves to alert level 1. August 2020, 4 new cases of COVID-19 are recorded in the community. 12th August 2020, at 12 noon, Auckland region moves to alert level 3. The west of New Zealand moves to alert level 2. Students are now back in lockdown. 30th August 2020, Auckland moves to alert level 2 at 11:59 p.m. With extra restrictions on travel, the rest of New Zealand remains at alert level 2. 21st September 2020, all regions except Auckland moved to alert level 1 at 11:59 p.m. 23rd September 2020, Auckland moves to alert level 2 without extra restrictions on travel and gatherings at 11:59 p.m. 7th October 2020, Auckland moves to alert level 1 at 11:59 p.m. All of New Zealand is now at alert level 1. Businesses are able to open and operate as normal. Senior students of One Tree Hill College are able to have their school ball. COVID-19 has taught students how to deal with resilience. When we learn how to become resilient, we learn how to embrace the beautifully broad spectrum of the human experience. Although the world is suffering, it is also full of the overcoming of it.